Hi, my name is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. I have something really special for you today. It is called a fragrant bitter gourd chicken. Now, sitting right in front of me here is the PASAR Jumbo Fresh Chicken. And of course, after you remove it from the bag, you're gonna rinse it properly, inside out. And this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put it on the lotus leaf. So you have to blanch it in hot water and then rinse it under the tap water. So use 2 of the leaves just in case the sauce flow out. So we're going to put this chicken right here and season with a little bit of salt on the surface of the chicken and the back and inside. Just rub and massage a little bit and let it sit there for a while. Okay, we will let the chicken sit there for a while we prepare the sauce to pour over the chicken. So we have a preheated pan. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil, the garlic, the preserved beans, chili padi. So when it's fragrant already, we're gonna put the bitter gourd. In our life, we need to go through the bitterness in order to get to the sweet part. In Chinese, it says, 先苦后甜，苦尽甘来. So this bitter gourd is going to be bitter, but I'm going to add sweet pineapple, yeah! So it's not that bitter after all. So we're going to add the red chili. This is actually just for a little bit of garnish, the stock. So we bring it to boil. Finally, we'll add the sugar before we thicken the sauce and thicken with cornstarch. Okay, so sauce is ready. I'm going to pour into the chicken completely and wrap it up. Okay. You can use actually a butcher string or a aluminum foil. And we will just have to put this into the steamer for 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, after 50 minutes, I'm back here to remove the chicken out from the steamer. So we're going to have a look at the beautiful chicken right now. So we're going to spread the pineapple and the bitter gourd around the chicken. And we're going to garnish with some coriander leaves, spring onion and chili. We just need to fold the side of the leaf. May this dish fill you with happiness and good fortune. Here's FairPrice wishing you and your loved ones a happy Chinese New Year.